Please be safe, I'm begging. No, that can't be true. Johnny boy, look bro, I'm screwed.
Oh my god, bro, I'm so sorry. Try covering up and changing it to blue.
Good thinking. That should work.
Dude, I heard the survival rate of the pit is 5%. I know, whoever got selected is dusted, bro. Students, you've been selected to be a player or watcher.
What happens if you're a player?
Well, the players will be sent to the pit to survive, and the watchers will enjoy this beautiful entertainment on the big screen where it will be broadcasted.
Oh my god. Dad, what's the point of them doing all this?
Well, it's to show how the government has 100% control over us, and if you fight back, you'll be thrown in the pit as well. But thank God you're a watcher, because the pit is a death trap. Bro, the trailer came out for the pit.
Huh, really?
Yeah, looks like the players have to escape a gas chamber or something.
Good thing I have asthma.
Huh? What'd you say?
Nothing.
We'll be running a player check soon. Everyone please go to the hub.
Huh? A player check?
Yup, all the players will be sent to the pit today. Hopefully they don't find out that I'm a player. Devin, come forward. It's your turn. Let me check. Okay, you passed.
Ha! Idiots.
Wait a second. I see a tint of red. Sir, bring me some water.